Today we will see uh, some formula for short which is used in short example. So first is rate of inflation. Now if you have to find out the rate of inflation, the formula is wholesale price index number of current year minus wholesale price index number of previous year upon wholesale price index number of previous year multiplied by 100. All these things will be given to you in the example directly. You just have to put the figure and find out the answer. So we'll try to understand orally from the textbook. Illustration number 7, which is given to you on page number 44. So wholesale price index number of year 2015 and 2016 are found to be 150.2 and 165.7 respectively. Find the rate of inflation using index number of both the years. Now 2015 will be your base year and 16 will be your current year. So we'll put in the formula that rate of inflation is equal to wholesale price index number of current year minus wholesale price index number of previous year divided by wholesale price index number of previous year multiplied by 100. Now wholesale price of index number of current year is, for 2016 it is given 165.7 minus for base year it is 150.2. So 165.7 minus 150.2 upon 150.2 multiplied by 100. So after deducting this we will get 15.5 divided by 150.2 multiplied by 100, and the final answer is 10.3196, and we are writing our answer up to 2 digits. So your answer is 10.32. यहाँ से here this 9 is greater than 5, so we'll add 1 digit. So the answer is 10.32. Thus the rate of inflation is 10.32. Now second formula is of real wage. If it is asked to you to find out the real wage of workers, then the formula is average monthly wage divided by cost of living index number multiplied by 100. Now we'll see one illustration. Illustration number 23. This is also simple example, so we try to understand it orally. Find the real wages for the worker class of a city from the following data about their average monthly wage and the cost of living index number. Now our formula is average monthly wage divided by cost of living index number. Both the things are given to you directly. Okay, and base year is 2001. Find purchasing power of money in the year 2015 by taking as base year 2001 and state importance of this answer. Now years are given from 2010 to 2015. Average monthly wage is given to you and cost of living index number is given to you. So on that basis we'll put this formula: real wage is equal to average monthly wage divided by cost of living index number multiplied by 100. So we'll prepare one table. First column year, then second column average monthly wage, then third column cost of living index number, and last column of real wage. So for 2010 your average monthly wage is 15,000 divided by cost of living index number 192. So 15,000 divided by 192 multiplied by 100 is equal to 7812.5. This is your answer of real wage. In the same way, for the year 2011, your average monthly wage is 15,600 divided by 203. So your answer will be 7684.73. Then for 2012, 16,200 divided by 228. So your answer is 7105.26. Now for 17,000 it is 268. So 17,000 divided by 268 is equal to 6343.28. And for 2014 18,000 divided by 270 is equal to 6,666.67. And for the last year 20,000, it is 287. So 20,000 divided by 287 multiplied by 100 is equal to 6968.64. Now it is also asked that find out purchasing power of money. Now how will find out purchasing power of money? So it is the reciprocal of the cost of living index number of current year with respective base year. बेस ईयर का जो भी आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स नंबर है, अगर हम उसको डिवाइड करेंगे विद दैट ऑफ करंट ईयर्स कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स नंबर, दैट इज करंट ईयर अभी हमारा क्या होगा 2015, और बेस ईयर जैसा कि आगे बताया गया था 2001 लेना है. सो बेस ईयर के लिए 100 होगा, और सो ईयर 100 डिवाइडेड बाय हमें क्या करना है कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ करंट ईयर. सो 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 287. सो आंसर हमारा क्या आएगा 0.3484. ठीक है, अगर उसको 2 डिजिट में कन्वर्ट करें तो 0.35. तो आंसर क्या होगा हमारा, द यूनिट ऑफ मनी इज रुपी, देन द वैल्यू ऑफ रुपी इन द ईयर 2015 इज 35 पैसे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बेस ईयर 2001. मनी की वैल्यू क्या होगी, मनी की वैल्यू होगी 35 पैसे as compared to base year, that is 2001. Thus, although the actual average monthly wage of workers of this class in the year 2015 is more than the base year 2001, the real disposable wage in the year 2015 is only 6968.64 with respect to the base year.